Today we are going to see the brief summary of Unit 1 1.4 Big Data Big Insight. What is big data? All the posts on social media and all the activities online are recorded, monitored, and analyzed in the form of a data. The enormous size of the data, petabyte or exabyte, consisting of billions of trillions of records of millions of people. Uses of big data. First use, location tracking. You can track the exact location using the data of GPS and Google Maps. Get information about traffic routes, cognition, and one-way, two-way traffic routes. Helps to track the location of goods you purchased online. Second, understanding weather pattern. Huge data is continuously spread by sensors and satellites around. This data gives us warning of natural calamities like flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. Third is healthcare industry. Smartwatches after wearable health app collect huge data. Gadgets monitoring blood sugar, blood pressure, etc. provide valuable information of patients to doctors. This data helps to control the outbreak of epidemic and diseases. Helps pharmaceutical companies to promote research. Banking, finance, and trading helps to study the investment patterns of people and health functioning of firms. Helps banking sector to prevent cybercrime, card fraud detections. Security Exchange Commissions is using to monitor illegal trades and suspicious activities. Big data is largely used in the area of high frequency trading. Big data logarithms are used to make trading decisions. Fifth use is sports. A gigantic data created from the recording of matches enable a sports person to study performances of players and improve them. The sensor in sports equipments help to understand game from close quarters and ground conditions. Video analytics help us to see each and every performance minutely. Sixth use is advertising. Helps big giants like Facebook, Google, Twitter to track the user behavior and transactions. It is very useful. Provides big data to advertisers to run targeted campaign. For example, Facebook can target people based on buying intent, website visits, interest, jobs, roles, demographics. Seventh is entertainment and media. It helps in targeting people with right content and at the right time. Television broadcasters are looking to segment their viewers database and show advertisement and shows. Eighth use is education industry. Provides information about students, their study patterns. This helps to prepare customized and dynamic learning program for students. The course material can now be designed catering to different requirements of students. From requirements, we can gauge their strengths and weaknesses, help to guide students the right career according to his abilities. Provide solution to one of the biggest pitfalls in education industry, that is one size fits for all. It is useful in scientific research, understanding geographical phenomena, helps smooth working of government machinery, etc. It is a genie in our hand. Conclusion: big data is a solution for innumerable problems and applicable in various fields. It has enhanced human ability. Thank you. Stay at home and stay safe.